Hi, cooking with Dad here today. We're going to be making pasta with tomatoes and chickpeas, otherwise known as pasta e ceci. Pasta e ceci is a one-pot dish made with pantry ingredients. Begin by adding olive oil to a large saucepan and sautéing one small diced onion until it softens. Stir occasionally to make sure it's cooked well, and then add a couple cloves of sliced garlic and continue sautéing until the entire mixture becomes brown around the edges. At that point, add dried rosemary, tomatoes, and chickpeas. Stir a bit, bring it to a boil, and then let it simmer for a few minutes. Add 4 cups of water, and you can add a tablespoon of salt. Bring it to a boil, and once it's at a boil, you can measure up your noodles and put in 8 ounces of dried shaped noodles, and cook the noodles according to the directions on the package until they're al dente, and you'll want to taste one to make sure that it is, and then at this point you can add some additional grated cheese, or you can add in dried parsley and season until taste. Make sure it's salty enough and like that, and then cover it, remove from heat, and let it rest for a minute or two to thicken up. After it's rested, you can serve the pasta e ceci in a bowl, and you can top the bowl with additional grated cheese and maybe even a drizzle of olive oil to your liking. And that's it. It's quite simple. Cooking with Dad here.